This is a review for this little gold hopper car from BRIO. It is literally meant to look like a cargo full of gold going down the track with your train. The gold component comes off, so there's a magnet on top so that you'll work with all the cranes that have the magnet connector that'll pull it off. But really, there's two LEDs that are beneath it that light up the gold. There's a replacement battery compartment. These are more like the hearing aid battery types. Really, all that makes it work is just going down the track when the wheels roll. The lights light up and blink. So really, as long as it's being pulled along on a train, the lights will illuminate. Not much to it. BRIO, it's good quality. It's all plastic. Magnets in the front and the back. Two lights. We've had it for about a year, and we've not yet replaced the batteries. They're LEDs, they don't drain a lot of power, so it's lasted a long time on a set of batteries. It's a really cool little piece.